When you're brushing, it's very important that you hold the brush at a 45-degree angle. So moving it to you, this is 45 degrees. So now if the plane of the teeth is here, you're going to bend the brush 45 degrees. Brushing in short back and forth motions on the outer surfaces of the teeth is the best way. Sometimes you could even move away from the gum. So back and forth 45 degrees and down. Move over, back and forth, down. Move over, back and forth, and down. So this is the best way to brush the outer surfaces of the teeth. When it comes to the biting surfaces of your teeth, the best motions are back and forth for the chewing surfaces. That gives you more surface area to remove in the deepest crevices of the teeth. So back and forth motions here, back and forth motions here. The same thing for the top, back and forth motions, and the same thing here. On the gum line, on the inner surfaces of the teeth, you want to always make sure you still put in the 45-degree angle and use short strokes and upward motions, back and forth and upward motions. Remember, your goal is to always be away from the gums. You never want to push your gums down. Same thing on the other side, you would bend the brush 45 degrees, and then once you bend it, you go back and forth motions and up. Now when it comes to the front area, it's very important to not hold the brush sideways, but more vertical. And then you want to go brush this way out. Brush this way out. You can still go back and forth a little bit, but away from the gums. And you also want to do the same thing here. It's very important to use gentle upward and downward motions, but preferably away. Always away. And that's how you reach these tough to reach areas which most people miss.